Within the Cork platform, you can obtain an instant cyber insurance quote regardless if the client has Cork's financial protection or not. Scroll down on the client's page and find the client you wish to obtain the cyber insurance quote for. Click the three-dot menu, select Get Instant Insurance Quote. Cork uses DataStream Insurance to do the quoting and underwriting, so select Continue to authorize us to share that telemetry with them. Now you just need to select a couple options: the industry, ownership, and if you want to, the client contact information, then click Get Instant Quote. This only takes a few seconds. It's based on a $1 million cyber insurance policy with a lower deductible. However, with the Cork Financial Protection in place, you can obtain a policy with a higher deductible at a lower rate. If you want to continue with this quote, click the Continue with this quote button. You'll be dropped into the DataStream platform, where then you'll be able to finalize the quote and share it with your client.